Taping, quit it.
Oh, cool. Takes quite a bit of abuse, it looks like. I'm just kind of wearing in the hole a little bit. Oh shoot, I gotta tie a knot. I hate hurrying. Wish I could do this whole challenge without ever feeling rushed. I gotta make sure that knot's small enough to go through the hole. Wear it in a little or it won't trigger. Okay. Let's see. Natural cordage. Elm bark. Inner bark. Ta-da! And bird comes in to sit on it. And then he goes to leave and pushes off, and the knot hangs up. Yeah, it's not. You'd have to almost weave it, I think. Let me try it one more time. Not worth it. I probably should have made the hole a little bigger. It definitely holds against the knot. Oh, it didn't fire. Yeah, you'd have to. I got one more piece of cordage, but I got other traps to build. But I'll show you how tough this is. Get that knot small enough. There, it felt like it slid pretty good. It might work. Oh! Yeah, it'll work. Hang on just a second. One more time. Bear with me. Definitely touchy. Okay, bird comes in, land on it, goes to take off. Whew, this is a really slow bird. Thanks. Anyway, I think if I twisted that down, it'd work. I've got another piece, so let me start the next video with it tied on. Let me show you real quick. It's already got a loop on the end. Actually, there's a pretty good loop on that end, but I don't think this thick stuff goes through there. Anyway, if I have time, I'll tie that on there and try it with that, but I know that rawhide will work. It's fast enough to hurt you. Alright, talk to you later.